Hey everybody, it's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. I'm at the desk for just a few minutes. I have my coffee this morning. I've recently started drinking black coffee and I'm a little bit surprised at myself. It's like I just woke up one day and decided that I really like it like this. I've always had mine with some sort of cream and a little bit of sugar. I don't like it too sweet. But I'm doing somewhat of an intermittent fasting. Not if I need to eat, I eat, and I have a really heavy job, physically demanding, so I do know to listen to my body. But Jason and I are up so late, and we eat late, and I've gained some weight, which I'm not super happy about. I do feel better with a few extra pounds, but not a lot of extra pounds. And I feel like it's helped me a lot to just have black coffee in the mornings, and I don't really eat until about 4 in the afternoon. I have a Cliff bar, which is kind of a natural protein bar, and I either have some coffee or water, and I do drink water throughout the day, but I get plenty of calories at night, and I'm really pleased with that. I think I've lost about 4 pounds over the last week and a half. I've got some things on the desk. I want to make a journal page this morning. First of all, let me tell you, my grandbaby is here and I've been very busy. I'm taking care of my daughter and my future son-in-law. I'm taking care of their cats morning and night. So that is in addition to my work schedule. It was a long and very difficult labor. My daughter was induced because of her blood pressure. It can be very dangerous for the mother and the baby. You can have a stroke during labor, and her blood pressures were getting high enough. She had a magnesium infusion during and after the delivery. So everybody's fine, but she was in labor for about 36 hours because it was induced. And when I told you we were thinking it would be today, that was Tuesday morning. They started induction at around 11 or 12 that morning, and he was not born until Wednesday night it was after 8 p.m. But he's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, what a beautiful little baby. Let me show you what I want to do real quickly before I take off and check in on the cats this morning. I have this piece of fabric. I love this. It's got sort of a steampunk vibe. Also it's a Renaissance, medieval, all those things mixed in together. Like I look at the cherubs here, but just everything, the diagrams, the architecture, that's what makes me think steampunk. And then, this sort of design here, that circle, that makes me think about Da Vinci. I want to make a book page that has a lot of stitching on it, and I kind of want it to be quilted. Underneath I have some fabric. Just love this fabric. It's pretty heavy. I might double it, I might not. What I'm doing right now though is trying to decide which part of this fabric I want on the page. I could probably do 2 pages from this. And here's a cool old book we're going to take a look at. Lots of cool things. This is a piece did that come off of that book? Yeah, that's coming off of that book. That's what's on that fabric. I knew I had never seen that before, and that's okay. This is a grungy journal, no problem. So it looks to me like a Sculpey, maybe a mold that someone did. I found this at the scrap exchange and purchased that. It was on the sales floor for a while. I want to affix this to the journal somehow, maybe. And then I have these beautiful rusty elements that might somehow make a closure. I don't know, they're really pretty. So they came home, and look at this. I've got the old key here and this rusty spring. This is a heavy spring. Not sure what I'm going to do with these things yet. Now let me measure really quickly here and just make some crude marks, because I'm just going to cut, and I think I might cut that edge off. 5.5 by 8.5. like it'll be a good page. Let's just check the size. And that's good. I'm gonna do some black stitching on here. I went around the edge with a zigzag stitch, but I'm gonna use a straight stitch. Put it the length on about 4 maybe, or no, let's go to 3.5. And I'm just gonna stitch around some of the elements in this fabric. There we go. I like that. I might do something else with it, but for right now, this is, I'm going to leave it at this. Pull off some of those threads. And I think I better go. I did want to check in. Thank you so much for the well wishes. I'm just so grateful. So grateful that everything is going well so far. We still have a ways to go for complete recovery for my daughter, but I'm really thankful. Some pretty little cutouts. Okay, bye for now.